Welcome to the solution man. So in today's video, we will see how to stop YouTube ads in Firefox. So simple. Open the Firefox, go to extension. After going to extension, just search ad blocker. After searching ad blocker, there will be a lot of options. Recommended. So we have to search for ad block for Firefox. Just click on it and add Firefox. It will stop every ad from YouTube to any website. So as you can see, there is ad on the YouTube right now. We just refresh the page and there's no ad. Let's play another video. Same, no ad. So this is how you can remove ads from your Firefox. Simple and easy. If your problem is solved, please like, subscribe. Peace out.